Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trimming my hair, and the last time I trimmed my hair was, I believe, in December, like mid-December was the last time I trimmed my hair, and it is now it's May, so it's been about 5 months. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I already washed my hair, I conditioned it, and I'm about to get ready to do a protective style. When I do protective style, I usually like to, trim my hair first. So like when I take my protective style out, I won't have like a bunch of split ends and stuff like that. So I like to, trim my hair first and let, some new length come out and stuff like that. So I went ahead and washed my hair in twists, and literally all I do, okay, this isn't a tutorial. Like, let me stop pretending like this is a tutorial, because I just kind of do what works for me. So I'm just detangling it. And yeah, this isn't a tutorial, you guys, because I probably take too much off or not enough. Like, I don't know, I probably am not good at this. But you guys know I'm really like scared of the hairstylist, and that's why I don't really go to a hairstylist for anything. So if I could do it on my own, I'm gonna learn how to do it. Like, if my hair is messed up, I'd rather have like myself mess it up than a hairstylist mess it up. So like, my hair is wet, and literally all I'm going to do is, like, I have my mirror right here, so, and I'm using shears, by the way. You don't want to use like kitchen scissors or like paper cutting scissors or anything like that. You want to use shears. I'm taking a dimming brush, and then like I'm gonna brush it and then follow it with my fingers, and I'm just looking in the mirror. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut like that much off, about an inch or so. Yeah, once I cut it, I'm just gonna put my leave-in conditioner, 2 pumps of that. My oil, I'm gonna put some on my scalp. And that oil is made up of like the wild growth oil that came in the bottle, also some castor oil, and sweet almond oil, and maybe some other stuff that I like forgot I put in there, but those are the main ones. And yeah, after I cut it, I'm just gonna braid it up. And if I ever straighten my hair is probably like super uneven, because I always cut my hair like in a curly state, and I never cut it in a straight state, so I don't know how it is when it's straight. So yeah, that's why I'm scared to get my hair straightened, because I feel like they're gonna have to cut off a lot because it's probably gonna be so uneven. But, oh well. I'm just braiding this down. And I'm just gonna twist it at the end. And I'm not doing a braid out or anything, you guys. I'm just kind of, just braiding it down to like get it out of the way and kind of like give it a stretch as well. But I'm doing a different style on it, something new, a protective style. And so yeah, you guys stay tuned for my next video so you guys can see what I'm gonna do with my hair. But it's not gonna be a braid out. I'm just braiding it to basically just get it out of the way. So the way you guys can tell that it's time to trim your hair is when like it starts to get really tangly towards the end, and you get a lot of single strand knots and a lot of split ends. That's how you know it's like time to trim your hair. I usually follow like the every 6 months, but you don't have to do that. Like if you don't have tangles, then you could like wait a year to trim your hair, like if you don't experience tangles. Or if you experience a lot of tangles, then sometimes you might have to trim it every 3 months or 2 months, depending on like your hair. But yeah, you don't have to follow any like set schedule. Just when you know it, like when your hair feels like it's time for a trim, that's when you should trim it. Also, you guys, the reason why it's important to trim your hair, like, okay, I went like 3 years without trimming my hair because I was like, I like really wanted my hair to grow. So I was like, I'm not gonna like just keep trimming off the growth because then I'm not gonna see any growth. But like the whole time that I went without trimming my hair stayed at the same length. And then when I started doing like regular trims, that's when I started to see a lot of hair growth. And I think that's important because you guys know like hair growth is like, your hair usually grows like 1 to 2 inches a month, but then some people never see that growth because their hair isn't retaining that length. So like just as much as it's growing, it's breaking off at the ends. So let's say your hair grows 1 inch, it'll break off another inch, so you're never going to see any growth. It's going to keep like you guys know what I mean, like it's just going to keep, it's going to stay at the same length even though your hair is technically growing. So yeah, I think it's really important for, you know, to get regular trims so you're like regularly cutting off those knots and those split ends so your hair can continue retaining length. So yeah, trimming my ends is really important for me in my hair journey. But yeah, don't be like me. Like I probably cut off too much and, you know, my hair would probably be longer. But I'm just really scared of hairstylists right now. So I highly suggest you guys go to like a hairstylist to do your hair. I'm kind of just winging it, and I don't know, not everyone is comfortable doing that. So, you know, a hairstylist knows what they're doing. So if you guys want your hair like trimmed correctly, I suggest you go into a hairstylist. But like, you know, some people can't afford it, or some people like me just don't really trust hairstylists these days. Yeah, just learn how to do it yourself, I guess. I'm sure there are better tutorials than this. This is just kind of like how I do it. So I'm sure on YouTube there are much better tutorials. And a lot of people cut their hair while it's in a blow dried state so they could get like a nice shape. I don't do that because I just don't have the patience to like blow dry my hair, and then I don't know, I just don't have the patience for it. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to do the rest of my hair off camera because I'm sure this video is long enough already. So yeah, I'm just going to do the rest of my hair off camera and then I'll come back when I'm done. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm done cutting my hair and already it just feels so much better. And it took me about an hour to cut everything and then braid it down as well. So yeah, that's the end of this video, you guys. So make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. Bye.